If retailers like Macy's and others can't rely on police protection, are they going to have to go to some kind of private security?
I don't think so, Kelly. Retail will come back, but we have to set our priorities. First, moral imperatives come first. That's the most important thing. So we need to condemn the violence against George Floyd. All retail CEOs need to do the same thing, show that they stand on the right side on this. After that, we need to look to safety. Safety for our people, our employees, safety for our customers. Stores are closed where they need to be, and they will stay closed. Hours will be shortened, whatever needs to happen. Meanwhile, if history is any guide, the current social unrest will not be a long-term problem for the operation of retailers. Then we need to worry about COVID again. And, we were making great progress on reopening the economy. Most of the retailers I spoke to were actually pleased with the numbers they were seeing with the reopening. They felt like there was some momentum. And so we need to ensure the safety of our employees again and the safety of our customers, but this time vis-a-vis COVID. And there are a myriad of ways of doing that, temperature checks, obviously plexiglass, social distancing, whatever we have to do. And then if the numbers are good, and again, we don't control that, but if the numbers are good in terms of the outbreak, in terms of people infected, then I believe retail can make that road back towards a true comeback. Yeah. It won't be the retail we knew before. Things will change, but it will come back.
Well, it was interesting. I mean, Jan Kniffen has pointed out that in some of the off-mall, kind of strip mall type of centers, that traffic was at 110% of last year. He said maybe helped a little bit by some of the relief checks that people got, and who's to say whether that lasts, but that there was maybe a sense of some pent-up demand as these stores started to reopen.
I think if people come out and shop, that will last. What we're seeing is a tremendous acceleration of the trends that pre-existed the pandemic. So it was the off-mall players that were winning. Don't forget, malls have been in big trouble. Department stores are in trouble. Apparel stores, particularly those in the mall, are in big trouble. The winners are Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, Home Depot, Dollar General, all off-the-mall players. And of course, Amazon has picked up tremendous market share and is likely to continue to do so.
Yeah, so that just let me circle back to my original question. If one of your clients said to you, Jerry, do we need to worry about, as you mentioned, allude to the safety of our employees and everything else, we need to worry about security at our urban locations, what would you tell them? Obviously we do the best you can, but mostly if it's a location that's in danger for our employees and our customers, we have to keep it closed. Certainly at night, that's why I see a lot of reduced operating hours. You can't subject people to those kinds of difficulties. In these kind of high traffic locations, locations that might be more vulnerable, retailers already have had enhanced security. That's why it's often more expensive to operate in these kinds of locations. So I'm sure that will be beefed up to provide the safest possible operating environment. But the retailers cannot substitute kind of with armed troops of their own, like vigilantes, for the work of the police and for the goodwill of the demonstrators.